It is rare to see Fox News hosts talking badly about Donald Trump. But two hosts who have been critical of the president since he was inaugurated have been Shepard Smith and Chris Wallace. On Friday, the two went after the president after he threatened to transport detained migrants to Democratic states and so-called sanctuary cities in retaliation for his own failure to obtain funding for his long-promised border wall. "There's cleaning up that needs to be done here. The fact is no Democrat, not one in Congress or otherwise, has called for open borders," Smith began. "The law is clear, you can't do this," he added and turned to Wallace. "Is this a talking point for the day? Is this an effort to change the news cycle or the narrative? I have a suspicion, which I'll give you in a second," Wallace said, and then described how in two separate incidents in 2018 and early 2019, the White House suggested that ICE put detained migrants on buses and dump them on the streets of sanctuary cities and states. "Twice ICE said you can't do it," Wallace went on. "1. We don't have funding to do it. 2. We don't have the buses to do it. 3. There's liability. What if there's an accident? What if somebody gets sick or hurt? All kinds of reasons why they couldn't do it." Now, suddenly, quite a surprise to everybody, the president this afternoon comes out with a tweet and says no, this isn't over. "I'm seriously considering it," he added. "Here's my guess, and it's only a guess. This will never happen," Wallace said. "This is the president saying we are not going to cower and try to pretend we didn't really do this. I'm going to double down and suggest it. My base will like it. Will it happen? I would be shocked." But Fox News viewers who have been longtime Trump supporters were not happy with the two anchors and they lost their minds. Here's how these Trump supporters responded. Heard that shill Shep Smith talking about how unprecedented this is. "I thought Obama was flying illegals all over the country but specifically planting in districts they wanted to turn blue." Tweet President, @TweetPresident, April 12, 2019 at Fox News. Shep lies every day. Can't stand him. Debbie Smith, @DebbieZone91281, April 12, 2019. Why is Shep Smith still running his pie hole at 4 p.m.? Italy, Mike D., USA, @Manchu89, April 12, 2019. Please send Shep Smith to CNN. His show would do real well over there, and the more I listen to Chris Wallace, he too would do really well over at CNN along with Juan Williams, Marie Harf, and Jessica T. Sandy Rumpel, @Rumpel_Sandy, April 12, 2019. Shep Smith is still an asshole. Common Nuncio, @Nuncio22, April 12, 2019. Bad combo, can't stomach. Shepard Smith and Chris Wallace both on the smear POTUS at same time. Fox off, Jan Turin, @FMaxChk, April 12, 2019. Chris Wallace. Donald Trump news. Smith Trump supporters.